Oh, no worries. Yeah, I do that with, that was my chair. I did not fart. I swear to God. I swear it was my foot. My little foot went on the chair. I swear. I can't do it again. It's like high school all over, middle school. Do it. Make the noise. It won't do it again. No. It won't do it. Fart. Don't clip that.